Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of slowly, and hold your finger somewhere here. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on this button with 3 bars icon, and as you can see here we've got all previously open tabs. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all, just tap on this toggle here, and as you can see, we just got back to the homepage. We can of course enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.